Welcome to Kimono Kardio. This is Routine Jamy. 一緒に踊りましょうね、Kimono Kardio へ。This is Kimono Kardio, your no excuse workout. Great way to start the day. Start the day before you do your regular routine, or just start your day. It can be in addition to all your other workouts. But you need to do this every day. So for sure, you are moving. There's no excuse. Whatever you're wearing, you can do this. I'm wearing a kimono, so you can do it in whatever you're wearing. There's no excuses. Doesn't take up much space. Doesn't take up much time. So you can do this. 夜明けないの踊りですよ。Kimono Kardio. What are we feeling here? Are we feeling sad and crying? And there's a stream, or is it just the rain? Nagashi. Oh, let's put on our hanakasa. There you go. Turn it around. Oh, look at the flowers are blooming. The flowers are blooming. Is it sad? Are there tears? Are you feeling bad? Or blue just from the rain? You can see it streaming down. There goes the stream. Let's put on our hanakasa. Let me turn around. Hanasagabu. Hanasagabu. Kimono Kardio. Your no excuse workout. I'm doing a kimono. You can do what you're wearing. Thank you so much. Jojo, Jojo,